Hey everyone! Creating a structured table in Slack is best done using the Canvas feature, which was significantly upgraded in 2026 to handle rich content like grids. Here is your step-by-step script to get it done efficiently. Step 1. Open a Slack canvas. Tables are designed for canvases rather than standard chat bubbles to prevent formatting issues. Go to any channel or DM, and in the top right corner of the conversation header, click the canvas icon. It looks like a small notepad. This opens a split-view blank page where you can draft structured content without sending a notification for every typo. Step 2. Trigger the table command. You can insert a table using a simple keyboard command or the creation menu. Click into the main body of the canvas and type /table, then hit enter. Click the plus icon in the bottom left formatting toolbar and select Table from the list of rich content options. Step 3. Customize rows and columns. Once the basic grid appears, you can resize it to fit your data. Hover over the edges of the table to see the plus icons. Click these to add rows or columns. Click inside any cell to start typing. Use the Tab key to jump quickly to the next column and Shift plus Tab to go back. Step 4. Share with the team. Unlike a private draft, the table lives in the canvas attached to that specific channel. Once your data is ready, you don't need a Save button. Slack saves in real time. Simply close the canvas view. Anyone in that channel can now click the canvas icon to see the formatted table whenever they need it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.